Hello, in front of me I've got FC26. In this video I'll show you how to set training plans in Manager Career. In the beginning, let's go to Manager Career and go to Squads. Find training plan. And here, firstly you can select training plan, Intense, Heavy, Light, Recovery. Now, you can select Sharpness of the training plan. Then you can confirm values. And the automated plan is set. Next, you can set plan for each player manually. For example, if you've got tired or injured player, make sure to give him some lighter training. If you find this video helpful, please like, comment and subscribe.